So it's one rule for one. No. We want the DNA test and then we start beat the police then.
Same so Tiger. One DNA.
Wow. Sad man.
Because
sad.
all the lady will own the shop. You know, say you're all pervert nephew did that cousin or whatever it is. And you serve a little baby girl. And you don't ask the baby girl how you gonna get back home. Who are you come a shop? And you know that. All you figure in a sweatbox. I don't know how me think again.
But Fran, she come and see the baby look away. She could have asked her, say, what happened to you? Because she talked on the live yesterday, said the baby look away when the baby coming at the shop. And choose somebody else in there where she has served. She never asked the baby no question.
Come here, let me tell you something. That's why I said to you, say, me want the taxi man to come to the front of the line, because if the baby come in the shop and look away, a taxi shall come out according to them. So if the baby come in the shop look away, and when the taxi man say I do to her, so tell the taxi man what come in front of you.
So anything make the little girl look away, I happen from the yard to the shop. In between the yard to the shop, and the taxi have her in between the yard and the shop.
Thank you
probably
very much.
the little girl said she have got thought that's why the person kill her.
And alive.
Then
that's
if
that's
they
Oh yeah,
get a taxi,
sorry.
Right?
That is
So guess what
one of the
now?
things.
So guess what now? That man, if she went in a taxi for real, could realize that the little girl look trouble now. So here what am I gonna do? Me go left because I don't have no gas and can't about the little girl because I know which direction she go use to go home.
Listen, I heard one of the cousins say, oh, them terrorize the little baby, right? And let me tell you something. One thing when me hear everybody say, well, I am back in that 372% is that the baby girl know whoever does whatever to her.
Mm-hmm.
That's why she could not remain alive, because she know.
she have got talk, yeah. But what I am saying, why they didn't say the taxi from the beginning? Me never hear them say them put her on a taxi, so that me not understand neither. Me not understand. Me never hear them say them. I know me hear this taxi.
I just a drive the little girl get is no taxi.
That's it.
Because
and no
which part
taxi
them
and
live?
just someone going that
Which part
side.
them live?
No,
That
but
is a
listen
push
now.
area.
No,
It's
no.
like it's a little lane go down a way back over them live, and you're supposed to have to go over a little river to reach them out. So it's just somebody give the little girl a drive.
Well,
But no
listen.
taxi.
Me da call him first. Me I go talk about him
But
first.
listen now.
because
So
from
listen
the
now.
moment
So listen
somebody
now.
pick her up
So
and
listen
call
now,
him.
1 second. 1 second. So if I drive, make it make sense now.
Mhm.
If I drive, somebody give her a drive for go at the shop. Right? Okay?
Mhm.
And you know, say a drop, she gonna get dropped off at the shop now, grandma. Right? You say, grandma, so you send the little boy in at the house go look for her. Why you never send the little boy go meet her halfway then? A grandmother says, you know, she says she send the little boy go look for her when he no see her.
Mhm.
Right?
Yes.
So
yes.
why when you know so the taxi go drop her at the shop, but she alone have to go come back? Why you never send the little boy go?
Lava, let me come in on that. Because obviously you hear what the grandmother said. So let me come in on that. So alright. You, the grandmother, know say the little girl get a drive to the shop. So the little boy, where you gonna have him do? Him alone gonna walk, go to the shop. Suppose the little when him go to the main road, him just say little girl, so little boy go walk all the way to the shop. And right now, are you saying that the little boy walk to the shop? Because where him not gonna look for her? And let him go walk all the way to the shop.
Listen, Tiger. Listen,
Coming out
Tiger.
on the clothes, you know,
The
feel cool
grandmother
down here.
say, you see, now the first part, listen to me. The grandmother interview say, she send the little girl to the shop. The little girl walk to the shop. She never see no vehicle. That's the first one. That's something I hear about no vehicle. I will come out her mouth. So the little girl walk to the shop. Right, Tiger?
That is what I hear. That
She
is what
said
I
when she
hear
say
also.
half hour come, and the little girl not come back because the little girl no normally would have stopped. She would come back very quick, right? She send the little boy away in at the house, go look for the little girl, right? He said he did not see her, right? There's somebody else say probably one dead yard, one wake yard did it. One wake yard did it. So them I wonder if
She gone.
right?
You hear that?
If
Yeah, me hear that. Yeah.
she gone over that the dead yard. The little girl now go no way. The little girl will go at the shop and run, come back home. Just like how the grandmother would have said she now make half hour catch her at the shop.
Hello, Miss Princess.
But Lali, what me I say, if there's a little boy at the home, same way with the little girl, why they never send the little boy with the little girl in the first place to go to the shop? Tell me something now.
Yeah.
Tell me something now. Be realistic now.
What I want
Why you never send the little boy to accompany the little girl to the shop?
Then again, Tiger, somebody come up and say, right, the little boy and the little girl being always going to shop. Right? Like they always accompany them one another. Right? So, what me I say, if them always go shop together, right? So the little boy get mashed up then in the yard, right?
Yeah.
All the grandmother I go say, look here, me know say you don't feel well, right? But make she go on in front of you and you go on behind her and keep up with her that your sister she go safe and come back. Make you go and see him, you know? After she gone, you can run go look. You run go pass shop go look. You can walk again, you run all of a sudden. Eh?
But Lava Lee, then again, the little boy mash up, he wasn't able to accompany her to the shop. But after she did not return, the little boy was able to go out to look for her.
Not able to go out, Janet. He was able to run to the shop to go see if he see her.
Exactly.
Morning. Good morning. Anna the little boy, Anna the alright, my little cousin, the two of them are my cousin. Are the bigger one where I come from, Troy. Him pass and come around cause the shopkeeper never know say him out that side. Because before that, one evening she did come at the shop because I two of them always go. So when hold on, let me come out.
Cassie, beg you 1 second. Beg you 1 second. Beg me ask you a question, Cassie. Beg you 1 second, Tiger. Cassie, you were the person on the interview yesterday, the one that I got. You live in the same area?
No, me move and live with my mother in St. Anne, so we just
So can I just ask you next question? So whatever you're hearing, you're not on spot, know what happening. It's just that you're hearing via phone, like just we with somebody would call you, or you just watch something and somebody tell you what happened, right?
No, my uncle, the little girl grandfather.
That's the gentleman who went and they saw the slippers first, and then he said it was the little boy's slippers. So it's the little girl over there.
Yeah, the same little boy drop off of the bicycle. I see him slippers. So when the grandmother sent her go shop, somebody that drive past. So she asked the person if he might go come back that side, and him say yes. So he say you can drop her, make she buy the chicken, some at the shop and come back, and him say yes. But when him reach out that him just let her off at the shop, and cause him not have enough gas to go back, so no gas station are down there. So normally them either go Christian or if them go Balaclava, them would get gas, or this man out in the square, him sell gas in a jug, so them would buy for him sometime. So it look like him leave go out there, you know. But the girl now, which I'm not sure if I fraggy auntie too, cause me not remember all of them from down there. But me know say off that part, I pay family around there right now. Me the girl, the little girl, we call mother grand aunt, and then for fraggy people them, my grandmother, my great grandmother, and for fraggy grandfather. A two sister picnic them. So Shani and Fraggy a family on the two side. So I not even know, yeah. Cause let me tell you see Fraggy.